I'm Venerable Reverend Canon Wilson Amkwase, the Archdeacon St. Paul, Rwabutura Archdeaconry, West Ankole Diocese. The Uganda Baati ultra span construction, we have been seeing in some other areas. We have been doing a very nice work there. So it has convinced us to approach them. We have been using our local construction methods. So we tried to see that we come to ultra span. The quality we received at the church, it was very excellent. They delivered their items in time. Their work was very nice. And even the load that was put on the church was very light. I just recommend it because it is very nice work. I appeal to other people who are constructing new buildings to come and partnership with the Uganda Baati because they have the quality work.
Ultraspan, durability and strength you can trust for ages. Uganda Baati, Uganda's most trusted building solutions partner.